Whether you're one of Britain's 3.3 million Muslims or one of more than 1 billion people worldwide celebrating Eid al-Adha this week, I want to take this opportunity to say Eid Mubarak to you all. The story of Eid al-Adha is one of sacrifice, about doing your duty and doing what's right. And that is something we see daily from Muslims right across the UK. Men and women who, in all kinds of different ways, make such a huge contribution to modern British life. In business, in our public services, culture, the media, at the highest levels of government, and of course, in England's World Cup winning cricket team, British Muslims are helping to make this country the success it is today. And particularly during Eid, but also all year round, we see extraordinary generosity from individuals in their support for charities that help the less fortunate, really living the values of Eid al-Adha. So, while British Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha, it's only right that the rest of us celebrate the contribution of British Muslims. Eid Mubarak.